The National Weather Service in Cleveland has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northern Ashland County, southern Lorain County until 10 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 9:13 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, the National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing destructive golf ball-sized hail and damaging winds in excess of 60 miles per hour. This storm was located 8 miles west of Savannah and moving east at 35 miles per hour. Locations impacted include Ashland, Savannah, Oak, Wellington. This is a dangerous storm. Seek shelter inside now and stay away from windows. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 10 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in Ohio, Ashland, and Lorain.